Hello everybody. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter, list and table handling in HTML. We already completed our three chapters: introduction to HTML, how to use image in HTML, how to create a map, or how to link multiple pages in a single page. Now today we are going to create list and table in HTML. List handling. While presenting information, sometimes we need to prepare a list, different individual entities. I hope you are able to see this content. So, when we are, see, this is a items to purchase. If you have remember, even when we are doing any work at our computer, we are preparing a list. In our writer, there are two types of list: bulleted list and numbers. When we are creating numbers, there are 1, 2, 3, ABC, small ABC, capital ABC, and bullets. There are filled circle, there are empty circle, there will be arrow, this type of list. In this chapter, we are going to see how to create an unordered list, and how to create a table in HTML. As for now, name, unordered list, as illustrated in figure 4.1. An unordered list contains item along with a symbol. This symbol is also called a bullet. Underline this line. This is really very important. This is a totally practical session. I will going to show you only one or two practical. Remaining practical you should be practice at your home if you have a laptop or desktop computer. See, there are only 4 lines: HTML, body, font color, H1. See, this is simple line. When we will display it, see, this is simple coding: chocolates, notebook, practice book, and ball pen. First line, as usual, start HTML tag. Second line, body. Third line, body color, font color. Which color of which the font which will be going to display on our web page, the color of that font will be blue. H1 is unordered list. Unordered list, that means in writer we are saying a bullets. Bullets is called unordered list. See, LI, B for bold, LI, notebook, practice book, ball pen. These are the things which we are going to print or display on our web page. B for bold, font close, UL close. See, the output of the it and unordered list. Same. Next is ordered list. Changing bullets. UL type equal to square. The output will, these all are UL types: square, circle, fill circle. See, the output is like that. List without bullets. You want to show the list, but it's without the bullets. In case you do not want any bullet, you may use description list using tag pairs DL. Underline this line. Definition list. Here DL is abbreviated from the word description list. Within the description list, we need to define the description terms using DT. This is an item set. Chocolates can be defined as follow: DL, DT, chocolates. See, are you going to see? There is no list. See. Now I am going to show you the list of this, which is prepared by me for your demo. See. This is our coding. Open with Google Chrome. See, an unordered HTML list. Now we are going to see the coding for it is same as shown in our textbook. I hope you are able to see the coding of this output. HTML body, H2 an unordered list, LI coffee, tea, milk, UL close unordered list. Suppose you want order coffee, tea, milk. What is the difference between order and unordered list? See, UL order list, unordered list. Suppose you want to use another thing here, UL unordered list. You want to define bullet type as shown in our textbook. See, UL type equal to circle. See what will be the output of it. UL type equal to circle. See, circle should be right in double quote like this, or we will take a square. It will be better for us. We will just close it and we will reload it. Are you getting to see? Here become a circle. Suppose we again want to change this coding. We will open it with notepad. I hope you are able to see the coding. An unordered list, LI. Same way we are using for ordered list. If we want to show 1, 2, 3, see LI, if we cannot write, it will come 1, 2, 3. List heading, H1, H2, this all content are covered here. LI type equal to are you able to see the content of it change copy. If we want to see use different type of list, it will become here square. It will come everywhere. So this is a simple our coding. You want to find color, suppose body point color equal to blue. X equal to be blue. Are you getting this point? The whole text of the body will be blue. Suppose you want to change the color of this H2, font color equal to red. Control S. because we are giving the color to body, so it's maybe not working. Today we just complete this content. What is the order list and unordered list? I hope you will be clear. Order, that means 1 2 3 4, and unordered, that means bullets. Here we are using, this is called unordered HTML list. Coffee, tea, milk. Suppose I want to use this circle here in place of square, we just change the type of UL type equal to circle in place of square. So just update it and run it. Refresh. Are you getting it? It's the empty circle. And if you cannot define the type of UL, it will be fill circle. See, that is the difference between when we define a specific bullets or specific number, at that time it will come here. So today we will cover our two topics, ordered list, unordered list. Definition list, DL. This both chocolate, ice cream. This is a LI. UL type is circle. This is UL type equal to square. Are you getting? In this output they are taking almost all bullets type, UL type. The output of this coding will be is this. So we just you must be do the exercise of this chapter for this order and unordered list. OL start with 6. Suppose if I can write OL starts equal to 1. See, OL start equal to 1. See the output of this coding. It will come 1 2 3. Are you getting time? If you cannot write, if suppose I write here OL start with A, it will come ABC. Or 10, it will come 10 11 12. OL start equal to 6. What is the mistake? Starts, if not start. I hope you will be get the answer, perfect answer for this coding. Suppose I can write capital A, it will come 1 2 3. I can start it with 15, it will come 15 16 17. So today we will stop here. You must be practice and you must be read the content up to page number 60. OL type equal to A, it will come ABC. See, this is a same here. I hope we will continue it from next time. Thank you very much. You must be do the practice of this chapter. Thank you very much.